So I have bought this lantern, but it's missing the igniter. It goes back here, so I ordered one. Here it is. There's a red button. So I need a battery. I'm gonna go get a battery right now. So looks like a AAA. So I'm gonna go get it, and then we'll test it out. Brought 2 batteries just in case. Spark. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, turn this on. I'm gonna pump it. Not so much. Okay. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna hit the igniter in the back. Gotta let the mantle warm up. Once it warms up, you can turn it all the way on. Right? It's pretty bright too, I'll show you right now. But that's low. And it's only low because I haven't gave it enough pumps yet. Obviously, the more that you pump it, the greater the pressure inside, the greater the pressure, the brighter it's gonna burn. And that's full blast right there, actually. I'll show you how bright it goes. I'm gonna turn off the lights. So that's about medium. That's full blast right there. That's it. That's all I needed. Just that one. Now to turn it off, just cut the gas and turn on the lights. The fill plug to release the pressure that's inside the tank. There you go. It's off.